Good morning everyone and welcome back to the garage. Yesterday we released a video on how to change the indicator bulb and the headlight bulb on the Suzuki Address 110. That was in response to one of our viewers leaving a comment about how to change the bulbs, and it transpires that he actually meant, I think, the Sidelight, as I would call it, which is down here. That's in the manual as the position indicator bulb. So I'm just going to do a very quick video just to show how to change that. It's really simple, so here we go. So this is the little blighter that we are attempting to change, and it is theoretically quite easy because we don't have to remove the front panel or any of this business. I'm going to try this one. So what I've done is turn the wheel over there, and I'm going to go in from the bottom, and just by putting my hand in here, you can feel the back of this bulb. It's like a little rubber piece with a wire attached to it, and if you turn that counterclockwise for a quarter turn, you'll be able to see what happens. You can then pull that out there and you'll see there's the bulb in the bulb holder, and the bulb itself just pulls out. It's just one of these little caplet type bulbs. To refit it, if I can find it, where's it gone? There we go. You just push that into there, slot it back in there, and using the power of your eyeballs you can locate the bulb holder where it needs to go, and then turn that clockwise a quarter turn, and that's the job done. So that's how to change the side light bulb on the Suzuki Address 110.